Hello and welcome to the MSI Prompt audiobook and audio article creation software. As you probably already know, audio is a great way to engage your customers, and creating audio versions of your ebooks or articles is a great way to add value. Not only that, but it also allows your message or product to be taken offline and listened to by your listeners instead of being glued to the screen to read your material. Recent research by Instat found the following. Worldwide unit shipments for audio-only MP3 players and PMPSs combined will reach 275 million units in 2011, up from 182 million units in 2006. Of the 2,408 respondents to Instat's latest survey of US consumers, 52% own an MP3 player or a PMP. A PMP is simply another form of MP3 player. Instat does not expect music-enabled cell phone shipments to displace dedicated PMP MP3 player shipments anytime soon, but there is an opportunity for cell phone manufacturers to capture these consumers who are considering cheap audio-only MP3 players. So creating audio is for MP3 players, mobile phones and online listeners. What are these millions of people looking for? Interesting content. So if you are not adding audio versions of your content, then you are missing out on a huge market. So now you have seen this program working, let's go through some of the features. Once you start up this software, the first thing we do is go to Options, and here you can change the font size, the font colors, the background color and the line color. So let's just change that quickly. So let's, instead of having the font color white, let's have it black. Let's change the background color to white, and we can change that line color to a blue color. Now down here we can choose our output for our audio. I usually like to choose about a 96 kps. Now we simply save that, save the settings. We can now close that, and when we start afresh we'll reset and start. As you notice, the changes have now come into play. Now once we've actually got our text in here, we go to our editor. We can either type it in directly or we can open a text file to use, and we'll use this audio one that we just used and just go open. I quite often write my text in Word or a word processor and then just save it as a text file and then import it. Just click Done, hit Reset, and then it's just a matter of clicking on the start and clicking on our scroll speed. Then by using our forward and back arrows we can control the speed of the text to match our conversation. So as you can see, I'm just using my back arrow now on my keyboard, just using my arrow keys to go for speed up and reduce the speed of the text. Once I'm ready, and I've actually run through a little bit to set the speed, which in my case is usually about 6 or 7, I'll just hit the reset, hit the record and start the program, move it up to 6 and start talking. I can pause it and start again. Once I've finished recording, it's just a matter of hitting the stop button. We can then play and listen to it. We then just save it as an MP3 file, so we'll call this audio. Go save, and as you notice down the bottom here, it's converting the audio. It will make two versions for you. Here is the one at the 96 kps, you can see, and here's the original wave audio, very high quality, so you can use both. Then just a matter of providing a download to this audio on your website so people can actually download it and listen to it, or you can convert using some streaming audio software and stream it directly. And so that's how easy it is to use MSI Prompt Professional. There are a lot of people out there looking for content for their MP3 players, their mobile phones, and also listening to it online. So be sure to read through the rest of this page, and when you're ready, just order MSI Prompt Professional and start creating your own audio books and audio articles. Obviously there are many other uses for this small teleprompter. My name's Quen Brown. I want to thank you for watching this short tutorial.